How to turn off a Snapchat read receipt. So turning off a Snapchat read receipt is quite easy and simple. For that, simply you need to open Snapchat application. Then after that, you have to tap on the chat's icon at the bottom left corner, which is next to the Snapchat map icon. Once you're on this section, you need to locate and open the chat where you want to read the messages and turn off Snapchat read receipts as well. Before that, you need to make sure that you have turned on the airplane mode on your device. For that, you can simply swipe towards down and on the shortcuts bar, you can see the airplane mode. Simply, you need to turn it on. And then once you have turned it on, you need to open and read the messages that you want to read. So once you have switched on to the airplane mode, your internet connection won't be there. And let's open the chat and read it. Once you are done reading the chat, then you have to exit from this entire conversation. And then once done, you need to turn it back. For that, turn off the airplane mode and connect to Wi-Fi. Once you have done that, it will not be notified to other person that you have read their messages. So that is how we turn off Snapchat read receipts. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it. Hit the notification bell for more updates.